Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to download and install extensions on OpenAI's ChatGPT Atlas web browser. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. OpenAI's ChatGPT Atlas browser is now available for all the Apple macOS users. We can download this from their website. We can go to chatgpt.com/atlas and we can download this here. This should be available for other platforms like Windows very soon, and this is based on Google's Chromium software. That means we get access to all the awesome Chrome extensions as well. So after installing and setting up ChatGPT Atlas web browser, we will get a page like this. Here at the top, we have to go to our name icon, select that. Then go to extensions, then go to manage all extensions. We will get this page. Here at the top, we can search for the extensions that we have already installed on our Atlas web browser. To find new ones, we have to select this Chrome Web Store. So here we can find a countless number of useful apps. Suppose if I want to install this Shazam app, I just have to search for that, open that, and we can select this add to Chrome option. Even though if it says Chrome, it will install on the Atlas web browser. So select this. So we will get this confirmation. Select add extension. So that's all. It will now download and install this. We already have a Notion extension here. To see our newly installed one, we have to go to our profile name icon here. Extensions, then under your extensions we can see the Shazam one, and we can also pin this to the browser bar and we will get it here. Now we just have to select this and it will open the extension. That's all. These are the steps to download and install extensions on OpenAI's ChatGPT Atlas web browser. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.